Hello everyone, welcome back to the Holistic Collective. And it just feels so good to bring you yet another video on all things that are good for you. We hope you have as much fun in watching our videos the way we have super fun in making them for you. But before we begin, please take a moment and click on the subscribe button and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Also remember to check out our affiliate products in the description below. So a lot of people are trying loads of things to get rid of their flabby arms and that stubborn fat on the arms. In today's video, we will show you a combination of few simple yet super effective exercises and again, a very simple DIY drink which will help eliminate that unwanted fat. So let's start with the exercises. First up is the arms crossover exercise. All you have to do is stand up with your back upright. Do not slouch. Now open your arms wide, then simply start moving your arms inwards and outwards like a human scissor. Right arm goes above the left and repeat the action. Left arm goes over the right. Keep both arms at shoulder level always. Remember to also keep those abs tight and the arms have to be straight as you move them. Do not bend them at the elbows. Do this for about 40 to 45 counts. Next is arms up and down. These exercises are as simple as they sound. Just stand straight with your back upright and simply raise both your hands to cover your head. Touch both your palms above your head and again bring them down. Exhale when you raise your arms and inhale when you bring them down. Do this for about 40 to 45 counts. The third exercise is tricep press. Stand straight with your back upright. Now gently raise both your arms above your head and create a fist. Drop your arms backwards. Bend them from the elbow as though you were trying to touch the back of your neck with the fist. Do this for about 40 to 45 counts. The fourth exercise is palm down. Stand straight with your back upright. Raise both arms but bend them from the elbow. Each arm should form an L shape where your fingers face the ceiling. Now simply maintain the L shape and drop your arms down frontward. Then raise them up again and drop them down again. Do this for about 40 to 45 counts. The last exercise is the arm wing. Here you can imagine yourself to be a plane and your arms to be the flaps on the plane's wing. I hope you imagine the way I am. So stand with both knees bent slightly, lean forward a bit and keep your arms straight down, but your palms need to face backwards. Now gently flap your arms behind as though you were trying to push something behind that's very heavy. Bring your arms forward and push back again. Elbows need to be straight and arms close to the body. Repeat for 40 counts. Once you are done with all these exercises, do slight arm and shoulder rotations clockwise and anti-clockwise. Also do some mild shoulder stretches. Along with these exercises to lose fat on your arms, we suggest a simple drink which is made from garlic. You need to consume this water for a minimum of 3 days, at least for it to act on that stubborn fat. Some also refer to this as garlic tea. There are various other benefits of drinking garlic water. Number 1, garlic helps in digestion. Having garlic in the morning helps you have better digestion. A better digestion will keep all the digestive disorders at bay. It is further very helpful in making you lose weight. Number 2, garlic detoxifies the body. This combination of having raw garlic and water helps you detoxify your body. Garlic is a great alternative to detoxify your body. It clears your body of all the harmful toxins and prevents diseases like diabetes, depression, and different types of cancers too. Number 3, garlic helps prevent diabetes. Consuming raw garlic helps you reduce the blood glucose levels of the body. It keeps a check on your sugar levels and prevents the risk of diabetes. Number 4, garlic is helpful in TB. Garlic is also believed to be really helpful in tuberculosis. If you have been diagnosed with TB, then you should consume garlic every day. Number 5, garlic treats cold, cough. Garlic has been a common remedy for treating problems like cold, cough, and asthma. Having garlic with water every day helps you prevent the risk of such common problems. Number 6, garlic prevents heart diseases. By lowering the bad cholesterol in the body, garlic protects your heart by preventing cardiovascular diseases. Number 7, garlic improves eye health. Because of its antimicrobial properties, garlic was great for your eyes. Consuming garlic regularly helps you improve your eye health. Number 8, garlic prevents UTI and kidney infections. UTI and kidney infections are a common problem among women these days. One of the best remedies to treat them is having garlic. Garlic prevents UTI and kidney infections. Number 9. Garlic increases longevity. Garlic helps in improving the function of the important organs in your body, and this further increases your longevity. Isn't it amazing that garlic is such a miracle ingredient which is found in almost every household? While we were looking at it to help us with the flab on our arms, who knew it would have so many other benefits too? Now let us see how to make this super simple fat burning drink. All you need is 3 cloves of fresh garlic, a dash of honey and water. All you have to do is peel and wash the garlic cloves, chop them and put them in a blender with 2 cups of water. And blend it, baby. Now add a dash of honey and voila, your super amazing fat burning and tons of other goodness drink is ready. Doesn't get simpler than this, you guys. Also, please make sure that the garlic you consume every morning is fresh. Don't eat too much of it as it can be negative for your body because too much of anything is bad. Balance is the key. People who are allergic to garlic should never have it raw. If eating raw garlic leads to headaches or fever, then please stop consuming right away. Pregnant women and people suffering from stomach ulcers should avoid consuming raw garlic every day. If undergoing any medical treatment, do consult your doctor before making it a part of your diet. Now that you have learned some simple exercises to get rid of that arm fat, we hope it helps you in your weight loss journey. And remember what we at the Holistic Collective always tell you: avoid stress, eat right, work out, sleep well, and never forget to smile.